Students, today we are going to learn about types of synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are prepared by different process using chemical compounds derived from petroleum products called petrochemicals. And there are four main types of synthetic or the man-made fibers, and it is of rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. And today we are going to learn about two synthetic fibers, that is rayon and nylon. Let us see, the first one is rayon. The polymerization of cellulose, which is obtained from wood pulp, that means the cellulose products which comes from the plants are one by one were attached, that is nothing but the wood pulp, wood which comes from the tree, which consists of cellulose, and it shows the texture as the silky shine, and which is also called as artificial silk, and it is also called as regenerate fiber, and it involves certain steps for it, where wood pulp is dissolved in sodium hydroxide, which is a sticky liquid called viscose, and this viscose is forced to pass through the tiny holes of the metal cylinder, which is known as the spinneret, where it is into the solution of sulfuric acid, and finally it forms into a silk like thread called a rayon, where it is a completely the chemical involvement is there and also the machinery one. So let us see the functions of it. It is strong absorbent fiber, and it does not melt but burns at high temperatures, and it is looks very soft, shiny and drapes well, that means the foldings well, and the wrinkle easy, that means it forms a wrinkle one, very folded, it's very nice, and may stretch or shrink when washed. And mainly, what are the products in rayon materials? Let's see. So the uses of rayon: fabric from saris, dress materials, aprons, caps when mixed with cotton and all, and also you can see them in medical purposes like bandages and all, tire cords, carpets. Let us see, the second one is the nylon. Nylon is polyamide fiber, that means the synthetic polymer of a type. It means like a polymer, the polymer chains of a type, which we call as polyamide fiber. Silk and wool, which is a natural polyamide, where nylon was first fully synthetic fiber made from coal, air and water. So it took place in the presence of aerobic, that means presence of oxygen, and where W.H. Carruthers is an American chemist. He named nylon comes from the fact that it was developed from New York and London at the same time. So NYLON, which comes from this, both together as mentioned as a nylon. So this is the main points of this nylon material, and let us see the functions or the properties of this nylon. Nylon is very strong and elastic fiber, and it absorbs very little water, and so as it absorbs very little water, it dries up. It resists wrinkles and keeps permanent seizures, that means a line or on a paper or a cloth. So it is not attacked by moths and moulds. Moreover, it is fine, light and durable material, and maximum you'll find all this nylon materials in high tensile strength, minimum of fishing nets like tire cords, ropes, or for rock climbing, parachutes, fibers, bristles, toothbrushes, paintbrushes, and moreover in textile industries this comes under like sari, shirts, socks, and also when it comes to the plastic industries, the manufacturing in the machinery parts. So this includes the presence of both rayon and nylon. Thank you.